Hey guys, let's see how to use the GitHub Copilot and Rails to create the DBMS mini project in this video. GitHub Copilot extension has been activated here already, or else you can just go to this extension and you can just search for here as GitHub Copilot. So once you just search for the GitHub Copilot, you will be able to install it. You can see it has been installed. So the GitHub Copilot chat, so I've already installed it. You can just use it over here, right? So then I'm just going to go to the view. So this is my specific chat that has been here. So here we need to describe what I need to build it over there, right? So here I have given the prompt. You can say I want to build a DBMS mini project for the hospital management system. So where I need to have a separate login for the users and the admin where patient can book the appointment for doctor and make the stack to build. That is nothing but the Python Flask backend is for that, and the SQL tree for the DB and UI for the bootstrap. I have just prompted it over here. I'm just going to click on to an enter. So here the prompting is very much important. As you can see, I have an empty folder at the left side. There is nothing has been created. Now GitHub Copilot is going to do this task with the help of the Claude 4.5 model. So you can see here it's creating the specific requirement.txt. You can see here the requirement.txt is these all the specific modules that is required for building the project. I'm just going to keep all these specific changes. So as you can see at the left side, all the specific things has been created. The application is created and the models is created, and you can see all the code has been created. All the database model is created and application has been initialized over here. So now it's preparing for the file. So you can see all the files is been getting. So as you can see, within a fractions of second, it created the static file and folder, CSS, templates, administration, patient, all the things has been created very quickly. So same thing I used to record in my YouTube channel up to 7 to 8 hours of video to make such kind of an DBMS mini project. So where I used to build everything. As you can see here, it is everything it is building by its own. The base login HTML reach, everything is been getting created here. So as you can see here, all the base files, all the things will be created, and all the specific data context we can see here. So I'm just going to keep everything over here, whatever has been created. So it is creating the front end, the part, and the back end has been already created. So all the things is created. So once it's creates, right, it gives you to code as well the specific commands, what all the commands you need to run it. So that's how the things is so fast. So as you can see how the things have been changed over an AI. So it's just we have created this project from scratch. Even if you have a very huge project like an enterprise application, if you connect with the GitHub Copilot and if you prompt it what you need to have a change, it easily does it, and it's easily acquired that specific changes into those files where it has to be changed, right? And easily we can able to test as well. So that's the power of an AI. As you can see, I have just started this server. All the things has been fixed. So I'm just going to click on to this IP address and see whether this loads. How you can see it's so beautifully. I was able to see all the specific functionality here. I am able to see the hospital management login and the user page. So I'm just going to first do the register over here. So I'm just going to register. You can see the registration is successful. So I'm just going to log in with the username and a password. So once I logged in, you can see here I was able to see a very beautiful page. So where I have the specific appointment, I have the logout, I have the dashboard page over here. So I can just try to book the new appointment. I can just try to book the appointment here. I can just select the doctors and an appointment date and a time and what is the reason. I can just try to book the appointment over here. Even this is the patient login. So if I just try to log out here, I have the admin as well. So I can just try to log in as an admin. So if I just try to use an admin here and the admin password, if I try to log in, so you can see here the total patient and the doctor's appointments, everything able to see in the dashboard here, right? So you can see here there are 2 patient, total doctor is 0 over here. So I can just try to add the specific appointments in the doctor's page here. So I can just try to add the doctor name, who is what is the specialization, email, phone number, and available date, and I can add the specific doctor over here. So once I try to add the doctors, right, I can able to see in my patient page like which doctor I need to appoint it over here. So you can see here this is a very amazing kind of a project. It has been done within a fraction of minutes. It took a lot of time for us to make these things previously. Now here you can see the things are getting very fast, right? So this is a very prototype. I was just wanted to show how powerful is the Claude, and with this, just with these few commands, without having even a no coding background person can also easily able to create such kind of a projects, right? So if you have a very good project in your mind, you can just try to prompt it, exactly give the proper requirement in the prompt, and it can easily able to build that specific project. And this is how the things is there. So I'll catch you in the next video.